Rose thinned out. Having to pruned. Shawls is down to 6 foot. That was being cut down. A bit of thinning out. These have been sprayed. Some ground cover under the magnolia. Bluebells, double snowdrops, sages, hypoceriums around here. Roses pruned, jasmine pruned, hydrangeas thinned out, vibers cut to the stump for the bay tree to come out. Down here, I've taken not so much here, but over here, hydrangeas thinned out, and around here we've got all nice and thinned out, ready for the summer.